Look at this. What the fuck is that?
Poppy, yo.
Oh my god. What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, today I got a special banger for y'all. We got a car meet tonight at 8 o'clock in about, what? In about an hour. Now, look at the rim. Look how they sitting now. Look at the rim. Nice, huh? If y'all want to know how to do that, just check my last video. I got a tutorial on everything. Y'all probably wondering why I got a drill in my hand. Come here. Look at this. Yeah, I got to put that back. They about to flame my ass in the comments. Alright, we good. Calm low fix. Right now, I'm about to go to the gas station and fill her up, and then I'll see you guys there. Alright, boys. Right now we're putting gas. About to be at Mexico, filling her up because you know we gotta go crazy. But look, show me this. I need to get a car wash. Look at it. Look at this. What the fuck is that? Can you see it? Yeah, nah.
What's that?
I need a car wash, bro. That's why. Car wash is right there.
I'm a genius. I'm a genius.
I'm gonna give it a car wash.
We there?
And then we're gonna be on our way to Mexico, baby.
We at the car wash?
Right now, we're going right now. Cut, bro.
Swing your fucking pole, nigga. Act like you wanna do something. She ride on the dick like a toad, nigga. You don't make bitch like a cucumber. These hoes ain't getting my new number. In the factory, I used to be pushing it with my Dior runners. Yeah. I'm a 300 ball. I want a new 100 ball. I want a big double.
Margarita is not sponsored. Sponsor me. Alright, boys. We got done with the car wash. It's looking good. Ready to go to Mexico. We about to be over there. I'm gonna catch y'all over there. Alright, boys. We just arrived. You can see. Look at them. Look at the car right there. It just started too. With the me right now, you say jumping or what? Let me know. I see it, but with the me right now. Alright, boys. I know we're not the meet. We left because that shit was dead, but it was just started. Right now it's at nighttime. What time is it? I don't know. Oh shit, it's a tunnel. That shit was weak. That shit was weak. But look. Right now we're on the way back. Now y'all see me dressed up. I gotta go somewhere after this, but I'm still recording for y'all. I'm still getting content. But we're on our way right there right now, and then I'll see you guys there. Right. Oh my god! What the fuck? Alright, boy, we just made it. Holy shit, this bitch is packed. Let's get in here and see what's up. Shit, we at the mirror right now. Got the Jenny. Look at the cameraman being lazy. What is that? Nah, Corvettes. Same put up with the 5.0. It's an SS, eh? This is like yours.
That noise.
It sounds nice. It's not bad, I love it. Oh. It's just weed.
You can smell the weed from it. You think it has weed in there? Yeah, bro. Sexy ass alternator.
Abdul, say what's up?
It's Poppy, yo. It's gotta be a vlog or what? Sexy ass alternator, bro. How do I, bro? How it works by midnight. Midnight.
Nah, this ain't your video.
Best shop out there. Best shop out there, bro.
No, I'm not even.
What?
God damn, man.
Nah, he ain't doing nothing. Alright, boys. We're leaving the meet right now. Everybody leaving. Look at that G80, bro. Everybody's leaving, so shit, we out. Alright, I hope you boys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Boom.
Yo, fucking pole, nigga. Act like you wanna do something. She ride on the dick like a pole, nigga.
How do I, bro?